A very long time ago, a young 12-year-old boy named Cassius Clay lived in a small, quiet house in a busy city of America. A beautiful summer afternoon, the young boy happily rode his brand-new red bicycle to a fun local fair with his close childhood friend. He parked his beautiful bicycle near a big ice cream shop and went inside to enjoy some delicious sweet treats with his best friend. When he came outside after an hour, he was completely shocked to see that his favorite red bicycle was stolen by some unknown clever thief. The poor little boy felt extremely sad, and big, hot tears started rolling down his young face because he loved that beautiful bicycle very much. Someone told him that a kind police officer named Joe Martin was presently working inside a nearby local boxing gym on that busy afternoon. The angry young boy immediately ran into the crowded gym and loudly told the police officer that he wanted to beat up the bad thief. The calm officer looked at the crying boy and gently told him that he must first learn how to fight before hitting anyone in life. The kind officer then invited the young boy to join his local boxing club to train his body and become a very strong young man. From that unforgettable day, the young boy started coming to the gym every single evening to practice boxing with great dedication, discipline, and focus. He woke up early every morning at 4 o'clock to run many miles on the quiet streets before going to his local school regularly. He stopped eating unhealthy junk food and started consuming only highly nutritious meals to make his growing body incredibly strong, fast, and healthy forever. The young boy quickly learned how to move his feet like a beautiful light butterfly and sting his opponents like a very sharp honeybee. He worked much harder than all the other young boys in the boxing gym because he wanted to become the greatest boxer in the world. After many years of continuous hard work, he finally changed his name to Muhammad Ali and became the world heavyweight boxing champion quite easily. He won many shiny gold medals and gained massive global fame, but he never forgot the painful loss of his beautiful childhood red bicycle. He always told his loving fans that the clever thief who stole his favorite red bicycle actually helped him to discover his true talent in life. If his bicycle had not been stolen that day, he would have never entered that local boxing gym to meet that wonderful, kind police officer. He taught the entire world that a bad incident in our life can sometimes open a beautiful new door to ultimate success and great happiness. When bad things happen to us, we should never lose our hope and give up on our big, beautiful dreams in this competitive world. Instead of sitting down and crying over our losses, we must work extra hard to turn our deep pain into a very powerful driving force. Muhammad Ali always believed in his own incredible strength and confidently declared to the whole world that he was definitely the greatest boxer ever. He was not only a great athlete, but also a very kind human being who always helped poor people by giving them a lot of money. He visited many hospitals to meet sick children and brought big, beautiful smiles to their innocent faces by telling them funny jokes and stories. He motivated millions of young students around the world to believe in their own unique talents and face every difficult challenge with absolute courage. He proved that a person from a very humble background can conquer the entire world through pure determination, regular practice, and strong self-belief daily. His life teaches us that our present difficult situations do not define our future if we are truly willing to work hard every single day. We should always stay focused on our main goals and never let the negative words of other people disturb our beautiful and peaceful inner mind. Every champion was once a little contender who refused to give up when things were looking very dark, difficult, and completely impossible in life. Even today, young sportsmen read his amazing life story to get filled with absolute positive energy, deep inspiration, and great mental strength to fight. His simple words remind us that losing something valuable in life is not the end, but it is actually the beginning of something much bigger. We can easily overcome any big obstacle in our life if we maintain a positive attitude and keep moving forward with a very brave heart. When you face a difficult problem today, please remember the young boy who lost his bicycle but still became the greatest champion of the world. Hard work never fails to bring good results, and it always builds a very strong character that helps us to achieve all our big dreams. Let us all promise to work hard like Muhammad Ali and face all our daily struggles with a very confident and beautiful smiling face always. True success belongs to those beautiful human beings who can find a golden opportunity inside every single difficult and painful situation of their life. We should never blame our bad luck for our failures, because we have the ultimate power to change our own beautiful destiny through hard work. Ali proved that a strong mind is far more powerful than physical strength when it comes to winning the biggest battles of our life. Whenever you feel like giving up on your dreams, just think of the young 12-year-old boy who turned his tears into a global victory. Dedication is indeed the most beautiful key that can open any heavy door of success and make our human life truly meaningful and highly successful.